Hey folks, it's Russ Fi. Today is Thursday, May 23rd, 2024. I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to hop on here and shoot a quick video while I head over to the soap shop to pack up some orders. I wanted to talk to you about residual income and how important it is in today's world. Everybody that I know of is looking for a side hustle or a way to supplement their income. Some people are even looking for ways to replace their income. And network marketing, in my opinion, is the number one way to go about, building up a nice monthly residual income. Okay. And the cool thing is you don't have to join these MLM companies and build huge teams to make a lot of money. You can mail out postcards and flyers and make money if you stay consistent with it. All right. And that's what I'm doing right now. That's what Tina and I are doing. We're doing American Bill Money. I've done a bunch of videos. I'm doing a 90-day video blitz all about American Bill Money. And it's so easy to do. There's no training involved. There's nothing that you have to do aside from, place a peel and stick address label on a postcard and a stamp and go take them to the mailbox. All right. If you can do that, you can make this opportunity work. You just have to stay consistent with it. So, if you join and decide to mail out 25 postcards a week, do it every single week. If you join and decide to do 100 postcards every week, mail out 100 postcards every week. All right, you get all the tools and resources you need when you join American Bill Money, and it's just a really good opportunity. You can start for $50. That gets you in at the starter level subscription. You get 50 peel and stick labels every month. All right, that's what you're purchasing. You're buying labels. Leads, okay, and you can use these leads however you want to. You can resell the leads if you'd like to. You could start your own lead generation business. But you're getting 50 leads. You're getting a capture page and a website. You're getting a 1-800-Sizzle hotline number that you can share with other people. All right, there'll be one below this video. And then on top of that, you earn $30 for each referral that you bring into the business. And that's paid out each week. And that's followed by a $10 monthly residual income for everyone you refer, everyone they refer, and everyone they refer. So it pays 3 levels deep, okay? And the cool thing is you don't have to worry about having a 7-figure sponsor in this company because it's all dependent on your work ethic. All right? It's all dependent on what you do and how you treat this. If you treat it like the real business that it is, and you find a marketing method that resonates with you, you don't have to send out postcards. You don't have to send out flyers. You don't have to use the drop cards. You don't even have to make videos if you don't want to. You can market this and share this with other people however you see fit, whatever resonates with you the best. And once you find the way you want to market this, all you have to do is stay consistent with it. All right, that's all you have to do. And, I'm getting signups every week now. I've done 2 payment proof videos. The company pays by check. This is an opportunity for people in the United States, the Virgin Islands, and Puerto Rico. Okay, so you have to live in one of these 3 locations, but it's a great opportunity. It's super simple to do. You can do this anonymously. All right, and like I said, the business has been around since 2003. They have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. And it doesn't get any simpler than mailing out postcards and flyers, So that's one thing that really attracted me to this opportunity is because there's no training involved. I don't have to worry about, newbies signing up who've never done anything in the network marketing world and have to train them and, get them to build their social media platforms and teach them how to make videos and teach them all the ins and out of marketing. If you can mail out a postcard, you can make this work, right? I mean, it's so easy, a monkey could do this. So it's just a great opportunity. If you want more information, you can go to incomedoubled.com/6126. There's going to be a link down below this video, okay? So you can get more information if you want to learn more about this opportunity. And reach out to me if you have any questions. And I look forward to working with you, okay? So I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I'm at the soap shop. I'm going to pack up a bunch of orders now, get them out, and then I'm probably going to go home and do up another 100 postcards. I mailed out 100 postcards yesterday, and I'll do another 100, you know, later today or tomorrow. And we're just going to keep sending out postcards every day, all right? And I'll keep sharing all the results that we're having. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.